Are you looking for the best countertop water coolers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best countertop water coolers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Euhomy Hot and Cold Water Dispenser. The Euhomy water dispenser offers both hot and cold water options, making it ideal for any occasion. With its top-loading design, you can easily monitor the water level and remove the lid for hassle-free cleaning. You'll appreciate the 2-step operation on the hot water spout, which helps prevent accidental burns, especially in homes with children. Whether you're preparing a warm beverage or need hot water for cooking, this dispenser provides quick access to hot water while the removable catch tray simplifies cleanup. What we like: hot and cold water options. Modern, sleek design. Easy setup and use. Space-saving and compact. Quiet operation. Number 2. Avalon A5 Self-Cleaning Water Cooler Dispenser. The Avalon water cooler is a bottleless dispenser that comes with a full installation kit, including 20 foot of 1/4 inch tubing, 3-way plastic 1/4 inch push-connect adapter, under-sink 3/8 inch adapter with shut-off valve, filter flushing adapter, and detailed instructions with illustrations. It features a patented dual filtration system, consisting of a sediment filter and a carbon block filter that will last 6 months or 1,500 gallons. This dispenser offers 3 temperature settings, allowing you to customize your drinking experience. With the Avalon water cooler, you can save money on constant purchases of water and enjoy the convenience of having crisp cold, cool, or piping hot water at your fingertips. What we like: easy installation. Instant hot and cold water. No heavy bottles needed. Convenient filter replacement. Improved water taste. Number 3. Brio 130 Series Bottom Load Water Cooler. The Brio Bottom Load Cooler offers a durable design that stands up to everyday use, making it perfect for your home or office. Setting it up is simple, no tools or plumbing needed, so you can enjoy fresh water right away. Its bottom-loading feature means you don't have to lift or flip heavy bottles, just slide in your 5-gallon bottle easily, keeping the unit looking neat. You get 3 water temperatures, hot, room, and cold, giving you quick access to water for drinking, cooking, or making iced drinks. Plus, an empty bottle alert ensures you're never caught without water by letting you know when it's time to replace the bottle. What we like: easy bottom load bottle change. Quiet operation. Stylish, modern design. Dispenses hot, cold, room temp water. Compact size. Number 4. Avalon A3F Bottom Loading Water Cooler. The Avalon A3F water cooler offers a convenient way to enjoy clean, filtered water without complicated installation. It includes a refillable 5-gallon bottle that you can easily fill from your tap, and its built-in dual filtration system ensures your water is purified for better taste and safety. You can choose from 3 temperature settings: cold, cool, or hot, making it perfect for any drink you want. Plus, the bottom-loading design means you won't have to lift heavy bottles, reducing strain and making refills simple. This cooler combines ease of use with practical features for your everyday hydration needs. What we like: excellent water filtration. Hot and cold water options. Cost savings on bottled water. Convenient self-contained design. Responsive customer service. Number 5. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom Loading Water Cooler. The Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom Loading Water Cooler is a convenient and practical solution for your hydration needs. With the easy bottom load feature, you can save your back from strains and easily replace the water bottle. The ozone self-cleaning feature allows for easy maintenance of the cooler with minimal effort. The cooler offers 3 temperature settings to choose from, including hot, cold, and room temperature, and comes with a night light feature that provides visibility in dim lighting. The child safety lock ensures that you and your loved ones are protected from accidental pouring of hot water. What we like: self-cleaning ozone feature. Quiet operation. Variety of temperature options. Attractive design. Convenient for tall containers.